Hello everybody, how are you? Today I am discussing the best top 5 wireless charger. Product number 1, Yootech wireless charger, 10 watt max fast wireless charging, fat, compatible with iPhone 15 by 15 Plus by 15 Pro, Max by Pro by 13 SE, 2022 by 12 by 11 by X by 8, Samsung Galaxy S22 by S21 by S20, AirPods Pro 2 number AC adapter. Rating 4.3 out of 5, 1,90,485 global rating, 5 star 66%, 4 star 15%, 3 star 8%, 2 star 4%, 1 star 7%. Price is only around 14 USD. Images of this product. Product number 2, TOZO W1 wireless charger, 10 watt QI certified fast charging, fat with Aviation, aluminum computer, numerical control, technology compatible with iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series for Samsung Galaxy series. Rating 4.3 out of 5, 97,121 global rating, 5 star 66%, 4 star 14%, 3 star 8%, 2 star 4%, 1 star 8%. Price is only around 14 USD. Images of this product. Product number 3, Apple MagSafe charger, wireless charger with fast charging capability, Type C wall charger, compatible with iPhone and AirPods. Rating 4.5 out of 5, 63,977 global ratings, 5 star 77%, 78%, 4 star 10%, 3 star 5%, 2 star 2%, 1 star 5%. Price is only 33 USD. Images of this product. Product number 4, INIU wireless charger, 15 watt fast wireless charging station with sleep-friendly, adaptive, light, comfortable with iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro, XR, XS, 8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S23, S22, S21, S20, Note 20, 10, Google, etc. Rating 4.3 out of 5, 23,484 global ratings, 5 star, 68%, 4 star, 15%, 3 star, 7%, 2 star, 3%, 1 star, 7%. Price is only around 16 USD. Images and video of this product. Product number 5, wireless car charger, CHGeek, 15 watt fast charging auto clamping car charger, phone mount phone holder fit for iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, XS, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S22, S21, S20, S10 Plus, 59 Plus, Note 9, etc. Rating 4.3 out of 5. 5 star, 69%, 4 star, 14%, 3 star, 7%, 2 star, 4%, 1 star, 7%, 15,157 global rating. Price is only around 30 USD. Image and video of this product. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, check out the description to find the product links.